Welcome to our presentation. This is Solvit Competition Team 1. I am Leshao Alan from Kenya section and my team members are Mazida Zafor Mim from Bangladesh section and Muhammad Ibra Yunus from Beijing section. Our proposed idea is establishment of a solar trough thermofluidic pumped hydro energy storage system. This will help during this COVID-19 pandemic. This proposal is clean and renewable, thereby will reduce the use of fossil fuel which affects global warming. The cost of battery storage is high and therefore a problem to the developing countries in sub-Saharan Africa, which luckily have a high direct normal irradiance. 24/7 power is a humanitarian need due to COVID-19. Ms. Mazeda will discuss our innovation. Thank you.
We propose a novel solution to the problem. Our solution is a concentrated solar power parabolic through thermofluidic engine pumped hydro energy storage. This figure shows a block diagram of the conventional hydro energy storage using PV or wind as the energy source to drive the pump. We replace the energy source with the parabolic throw with thermal energy storage in order to harvest the high solar direct normal irradiance of Africa and Southeast Asian region, obtaining 200% more efficiency than PV or wind. Also, we replace the conventional electric pump which has a maximum of 75% efficiency with thermofluidic pump with 90% efficiency driven by sun heat stored from the throw. The cumulative efficiency gain in our proposed design is 215% compared to the current state of art. The value propositions and the future plan of our innovation will be discussed by Muhammad Ibrahim. Thank you.
The intended customers for our project will be rural electricity department, municipal and other independent power producers. The project will contribute a lot to power resilience at night, and with 215% more power, there will be more power generated. The maintenance cost is also low. 300 million people will be positively impacted by our idea. The estimated cost for research and development and feasibility tests is $26,000, which may be provided by United States Department of Energy, World Bank, United Nations Development Program, and others. Thank you for being here today. I really appreciate that you took time to be here and listen to our presentation. Thank you.